Upbeat music playing. Welcome back, ice cream lovers. Today we've got a delightful episode queued up for you. The wrong flavor. Let's dig in. Picture this. It's a sunny afternoon, and you've been craving that creamy, rich, velvety chocolate ice cream all day long. You head over to your favorite ice cream parlor. As you step onto the cool tiles, that familiar blend of sweetness and chill envelopes you. You've got that singular goal in mind. Chocolate perfection. Into the shop you go, and you're met by cheerful scoops of all flavors. Approaching the counter, you confidently declare, "I'll have chocolate, please." The server, with a twinkle in their eye, hands over a cup. Smiling, you thank them and make your way outside to bask in the sun. But then, as you take that first taste, surprise hits. Instead of chocolate, it's mint. "I asked for chocolate," you exclaim. "Oops, you got mint," comes the light-hearted reply. Holding the cup, you pause, debating whether to head back. But a playful curiosity nudges you forward. You take another cautious lick. Not bad actually," you murmur, the cool mint pairing surprisingly well with the warmth of the day. Your friend, next to you, can't help but smile. "See? Try new things," they encourage. Each bite, more satisfying than the last, opens your eyes to a whole new taste experience you never expected. We all know how tempting it is to stick to our favorites, especially when it comes to the beloved ice cream. But isn't life too short to always play it safe? Today, the unexpected twist of mint provided a sweet lesson, a reminder to step outside our flavor comfort zone once in a while. "Okay, fine. But next time, chocolate," you insist, with a hearty laugh, savoring the final bite of mint that you've surprisingly come to enjoy. Who would have thought? As our taste buds explore, let us remember this. Sometimes the wrong flavor is just right, and that's the scoop for today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delightful ice cream adventures. Until next time, stay cool and keep those spoons ready. Thanks for watching. Upbeat music fading out.